Today we're going to be looking at how to convert decimals to percents. We have a couple of examples that we're going to work through together here, so let's get started. For question number 1, we're being asked to convert the decimal of 19 hundredths into a percent. And as we can see up top here, highlighted in yellow, in order to convert decimals to percents, we're going to multiply the decimal by 100, and then we're going to add the percent sign. So for question number 1, we're going to convert our 19 hundredths into a percent by multiplying that 19 hundredths by 100. And we can accomplish this multiplication by simply shifting the decimal 2 spaces to the right. So we're going to shift this decimal once and twice, which is going to give us 19. And then we're going to add our percent sign, giving us 19%. And in order to make sure we understand why it is that multiplying a decimal by 100 converts that decimal into a percent, well, let's go ahead and break apart the word percent. So we can break that up into per 100. So that means that when we multiply our decimal by 100, that's going to give us our per 100 or our percent. Now moving on to question number 2, where this time we're being asked to convert the decimal of 1 4 hundredths into a percent. So once again, we're going to multiply this decimal by 100 by shifting the decimal 2 spaces to the right, which is going to give us 104, and then we're going to add our percent sign. So the decimal of 1 4 hundredths converts into 104%. Now moving on to question number 3, where this time we have the decimal of 3 tenths. And we're going to multiply this 3 tenths by 100 by shifting the decimal 2 spaces to the right. So we're going to shift it once and twice, and then we're going to fill this empty space with a placeholder 0, and that gives us 30, and then we're going to add our percent. So the decimal of 3 tenths converts into 30%. Now moving on to question number 4, where this time we're going to convert the decimal of 503 thousandths into a percent. And we're going to do this by multiplying this decimal by 100. So we're going to shift the decimal 2 spaces to the right, which is going to give us 50 3 tenths. And then we're going to add our percent sign. So when we convert the decimal of 503 thousandths into a percent, we get 50 3 tenths of a percent. So hopefully by now you understand how to convert decimals to percents. Help make math less complicated by smashing those like and subscribe buttons. As always, enjoy today's math journey.